Good morning! So, today it's a Saturday, December 9. And today, pupunta tayo sa Zambales. Zambales kasama ang aking best friend. And it's already 8:20 AM. Andito ako banda sa may Camp Aquino Elementary School kasi dito ko siya susunduin. So yun, inaantay ko lang siya dito. So yeah.
Bulaga!
Hello!
Uy, ang ganda ha. Actually, doon kami sa pangatlong kanto.
Oh,
Pero may
mag-hello ka muna sa vlog.
Ay! Hi! I'm so pawis. Paano? Tinakas
Saan ka ba?
Kanina ko pa dapat ako pumunta dyan. Pero patakasan ko sa is kasi habol ng habol.
Oo nga, bakit despedida yung
Despedida ko para sa nakaraan kasi pa sa sunod na taon, iba na ang buhay ko.
Oh, naka-record yan ha.
Kaya mo sila, ano yun eh, para confuse sila.
Nahulog siya dyan, no? Patay. Hi guys. Hapon na.
We're gonna go to the seashore.
Kami ay mag-e-explore na sa beach. It's 3:22 PM at walang kuryente. Very good, mga kababayan.
Sayang yung beauty.
Mainit. So tayo umaura.
Sira yun. Hi guys! Dito kami ngayon sa San Felipe, Zambales, sa Limliwa Beach Resort. Nag-aantay kami ng sunset. Dito kami sa part na konti lang yung tao kasi nasa tripod section kami. Kami lang yung maganda.
Nandito na kami ngayon sa beach. Beach, joke. Then, nandito na kami. Maganda ngayon. Walang masyadong tao. Konti lang. Magandang ano dito. Fine sand siya, pero hindi white sand. Fine sand lang. Tignan mo yung ano, konti lang mga tao. Then, may enjoy na dito. Kahit holiday. Kahapon, walang gaanong tao. Madami pala, ganda doon. Hi guys, hello sa inyo ulit. Magandang gabi. It's 7:22 already. Kakatapos lang naming maligo. And update, wala pa din kuryente. Very good.
So we cannot use the Wi-Fi.
Yes. Generator lang ang napapatakbo ngayon. And fun fact, pag walang kuryente dito is wala ding tubig. Pero nakaligo naman na kami. Meron naman silang tubig dyan sa drum. So, okay na yon. Sobrang init lang talaga. As in. At walang signal. So, since walang kuryente, walang wifi. Ano pa ba? Nakakain na rin kami. Tapos na kami mag-dinner habang nag-aantay ng kuryente. Pero natapos na kami lahat-lahat. Wala pa rin kuryente. So, yun, nag-barbecue lang kami and Korean ramen. Ganito lang kami. Chill-chill lang. At ang init. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Apaka-init. Walang hangin dito. Bukod sa mainit, malamok.
It's really worse.
Diba? Yun lang. At ang pinakapangatlo is apakasikip ng kwarto namin. Pero okay lang yun sa kwarto, pero yung init talaga, tsaka yung signal talaga, yun talaga, 'di ba? Hindi ka okay lang na walang kuryente, mainit pero nakaka-update kayo, pero wala.
Pero yung init, tapos may lamok.
Pero yung init na sinamahan ng lamok at walang signal,
Napansin na.
it's the worst.
Paano makakamay day?
It's the worst. Sure, charis lang. So, yun lang. Update, guys. May kuryente na sa wakas. Nakakapag-aircon na kami. So, let's drink to that. Oh. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
I've been around, but I can't get you out of my head. Try to stray, try to forget, but the thoughts they seem to drown me instead. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside. And now I feel like you were what I needed this whole time. I've been around, no one else has got me feeling this way. Every minute, every hour I spend is on you every single day. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside. Something about you makes me wanna be with you for a long time.
Good morning, guys.
Morning.
It's Sunday today, December 10, and it's 8:04 already. Kanina pa kami gising.
Like 4 a.m.
Yeah, like 4 a.m. Pero nagpunta kami ng beach mga around 6:30 a.m. Doon kami nagmuni-muni, nagbasa, nag-chill-chill, umara, nag-picture-picture. So, yeah. Hindi pa kami nakakapagkape. So, wala pa pong energy ang mga person. Dahil sarado pa po ang coffee station dito sa aming ini-stayan. So, for now, nag-chill lang muna kami dito sa room. Papalamig at inaantay kung kailan magiging ready ang coffee. So, yun lang. Nagkakuryente na rin kahapon. 20 minutes after namin mag-rant na walang kuryente. So, tapos namin umarte ng walang kuryente. Ayun, 20 minutes. Dininig kami ni Lord. Nagkaroon naman siya ng kuryente at yun, payapa ng aming mga tulog. So, yun lang naman. Magpapahinga muna kami.
Feels like the end of the road. You just took both your hands off the wheel. You act like there's nothing wrong. How many tears will I cry till you know? It feels like you don't even try. Is this everything you had fantasized? We were in love, just like fire, but you watched it die, go out like candlelight, and you told me I love you, and you know that I want you, and I wish I could believe you, but it's too late to call me, because your words just feel so empty now.
You thought that moving to LA would solve the fears you never faced, but I knew you keep running away. For the 6 years that I stayed, wanted to believe that you could change, but I never thought it could end this way.
It feels like you don't even try. Is this everything you had fantasized? We were in love, just like fire, but you watched it die, go out like candlelight, and you told me I love you, and you know that I want you, and I wish I could believe you, but it's too late to call me, because your words just feel so empty now. Because your words just feel so empty now. Because your words just feel so empty now.
Hello sa inyo ulit. Gabi na po. Anong oras na? It's 5:59 p.m. Nakatapos lang namin maligo. At ngayon kumakain kami ng frozen yogurt.
Sugar corn pala muna. Sugar corn, I throw you with crispy rice toppings on the sugar corn. No, ba?
Hindi kami naligo ngayon sa beach.
Nanood lang kami ng mga tao.
Pero matagal kaming tumambay sa beach. From 3 p.m. Nasa beach kami, nakatambay lang. After namin mag-ayos dito at after namin matapos to, magdi-dinner na din kami. Kasi hindi kami nakapag-lunch. Hindi nakapag-lunch kasi natulog kami ng tanghali. Kasi ang aga namin nagising kanina, aga namin gumising para umawra. So, yun lang.
Di ba lang hindi makakain basta maka-aura? Dapat ka ba pumunta ng beach kung di ka aura?
Yun lang. Mamaya na ulit. Sarap. Bakit ganun? Tapos hahaluan natin ito. Ang sarap.
Sweet yan yung music para ka nasa restaurant.